Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to present our group project for Fundamental Accounting and Reporting. Before we start, I would like to introduce our team members. From the right, we have Kristen Kelly. Second is Zulkifli. The third one is Nur Raudato Adni. And the last one is me, Nur Mariam. Here is the topic that we will be presenting for today. This project is about the accounting activity for the company that we have chosen, which is ZM8A Sports. From the interview with the owner, we have gathered information about the company background, the type of the creditor, how much the capital when they started the business, their liability, assets, and revenue, and what are their process of the accounting records looks like.
I'm Rauda. I'll be explaining about the background of the business. The business that we choose is ZM8A Sports. This business was established in 2013 and is owned by Puan Zarina binti Mustafa. It operates as a sole proprietorship, which means she is the sole owner and manager of the business. ZM8A Sports is located in Kampung Pekalan Nyire, Besut, Terengganu, a strategic location that supports its operations. When it started, the estimated operating expenditure was RM100,000. Next is the characteristic of the business. Firstly, the company is registered under SSM, which ensures it operates legally. As a sole proprietorship, it is owned and managed by one person, Puan Zarina. She has complete authority over the business, from managing daily operations to making major decisions. The capital to run business was fully contributed by her, showcasing her dedication. However, as a sole proprietorship, there is no liability protection. This means any profit or loss directly affects her. All profits belong to her, but she is also solely responsible for any losses incurred.
Hi, I am Chris. I will talk about the business classification. So, as you can see, here is the asset of the company. In this table, I already list down the name of the asset and also the price so that you will know the cost that they spend for the asset. So this is a continuation from the previous slide. ZS8A spend costs on owner equity 100,000 by own saving. Revenue estimated to 25 to 27 per month, and other expenses, which is utilities, they spend for 400, rental for 800, and salary for 2K. So let's talk about the recording process. There are two types of recording process that happen in this company, which is source of document and record of transaction. Accounting recording process is a collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting events of the company. Do you guys know what is source of document? Source of document is an original record or report that provide evidence of your business transaction. So bills, invoice, receipt, debit and credit notes are the source of document in this company.
My name is Zulkifli, and I will be presenting about the strength and the weaknesses of the business operations. From our observations and interview with the business owner, we could distinguish a few strengths and weaknesses in the business accounting recording process. The first strength is accessible documentation. Most of the business activities occur via digital platforms or online. She minimized manual cash transactions in her business, so there are only a few manual recordings that occur in the business. The owner kept the digital form of the documents from the online transactions on electronic devices such as laptops, tablet PCs, or mobile phones. The multiple backups of information on several devices, making the documents easily accessible. Secondly, cost-saving method. The business owner avoids spending extra or excessive funds on storing her financial data. She prefers a simpler approach to her business. By streamlining the recording process, she has saved a significant amount of money. The third strength is reliable reference. She said that most of her business transactions will be recorded in the bank statement. The business owner closely monitors her company's financial activities by reviewing monthly and annual bank statements. She considers the bank statement to be a trustworthy source of information and believes it is always accurate. She shared her insights from experience of working as a bank officer. There are three weaknesses of the business's accounting and recording process. Number one, no proper recording system. Number two, a high chance of losing track of transactions. And number three, risk of inaccuracy of profits and loss. Number one, no proper recording system. The method of monitoring business finances made by the business owners is simple and does not have a complex structure. This makes it easier for the owner. However, this method has a high risk and low guarantee of not making a mistake or confusion when making revisions. This method is prone to errors in particular account details, which will then affect the financial positions of the owner's business. Number two, high chance of losing track of transactions. The data are kept in separate places, which may lead to scattered information. Digital information and documents are often stored in multiple devices, which can lead to several copies of the same information being created. This duplication can result in redundant data being stored on these devices. When information is scattered across various locations, it increases the likelihood of important details being missed or overlooked by business owners. Number three, risk of inaccuracy of profits and loss. Some data may be based on estimates, making it difficult to determine the accuracy of the records. Inaccurate financial information can lead to misguided divisions that negatively impact the organization's strategic direction and operational efficiency. As for conclusions, the ZM AAA Spot emphasizes the need for simplicity and accuracy in financial record keeping. One Zarina, a small business owner, manually tracks her finances, which provides basic insights but lacks control and increases the risk of inaccuracies. To improve operations and cash flow, she should adopt organized record keeping methods such as ledgers or basic accounting software. Effective bookkeeping is essential for monitoring performance, meeting tax obligations, and planning growth. With consistent effort, ZM AAA Sports can establish strong financial management practices for long term success. Thank you.